In this video, I will show you how to install a WordPress theme manually from cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Next, click on the File Manager option. Inside File Manager, open the public HTML directory. This is where all your WordPress websites are stored. I have multiple websites here. First, I will be setting up a WordPress theme on this site. Let's click and open it. Next, open the WP content folder. Now, here we need to open the themes folder. Inside the themes folder, we first need to upload the theme file from our computer. Now, the theme file has been uploaded in cpanel. Next, we need to extract the files from the uploaded zip file. So right-click on the theme zip file and click on the Extract option. And done, the theme files have been successfully extracted. Now let's go and check if the theme has been installed correctly in the WordPress site. Go to the WordPress dashboard, then click on the Appearance tab, and again, click on the Themes section. Here, you will see the theme that we uploaded from cpanel. And done, this is how you can install a WordPress theme manually using cpanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.